It keeps going.
I don't even know what day it is. Friday.
I hear
day 3.
being popped. Hey.
Friday. Got a Nissan meet.
That's 240.
240 meet. Same crap. Yes. And then might be shooting with I Love Bass.
I borrow that guy.
Pulled up and I got a whole crowd already. It's bad. Alright, so as you guys know, I want an E36.
Yeah, he's not ready for the E36.
We have full send. Alright, so what's reverse?
Left.
All the way over?
Yeah, all the way over and up.
Send it. Send it.
That's not
Send it.
Stalls instantly.
You got that pretty quick.
Yeah, what do you call it? The steering wheel is weird. It's like really close.
Yo, I hate the steering wheel. It's not adjustable neither.
No?
No. It needs, what's it called? It needs subframe bushings too. I'm doing them. I was supposed to do them before I came here, but.
This is a full M3?
Yeah.
I was thinking when I get, because I want one. Obviously.
Yeah?
And so I want to get one and then I want to put on the S54 engine.
Yeah. This has got the S50. My other one, I had the red one. You remember the red one?
Yeah.
That one had an S52 in it, but
How's that?
I don't know. I don't
I
really.
want to get sideways, so I don't know.
That's what I want right there. Yeah, I mean, the E46 motor is definitely. It's got the better transmission too. Like people swap this.
Yeah, I heard.
Swap
I heard,
the 6
I heard
speeds.
it's an easy swap. So
I don't know. I don't really look into it too much. I don't really care to do it. You know, 5-speed doesn't really bother me. Yo, these are sick, man. I gotta repaint the front end. I was gonna have it lowered and repainted, but I worked way too much.
Yeah.
Couldn't do it.
no rush.
Yeah, no, exactly. There's no rush. I just came here to hang out with everybody, see everybody, you know?
I mean, it's like your car's dirty as fuck. I don't give a shit.
No, your car looks sick. I saw it driving yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was gonna pull over, but you were driving. I didn't see you, so. But you didn't see me.
I just saw, it's like so much shit going on, it's hard to like see through.
Yo, you got so many people all over you, man. It's sick. It's amazing. Like you're really making a name for yourself. Like I'm proud of you.
Trying.
Yeah.
It's hard though. Hopefully bring everyone else up too.
Yeah?
Get everyone known.
Yeah.
It's kind of the goal. I don't know if you want me to park it.
Yeah, park it. Do what you got. I don't care where you park it.
You got a LSD in this?
Yeah, it is LSD. That's a subframe you hear. It's not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
If you ever plan on getting rid of it, let me know. Jen.
You hear that tweet? Burger City.
Burger City, 9 o'clock?
Yeah, 9 o'clock.
Make that noise again.
We're so excited.
It sounds like a Subaru. I was so pissed.
You gave us hope for all us stuck in
I gave
upstate New
myself
York.
hope.
You got rid of the Euro car. You moved over to JDM. Now you're not even bringing it.
I made myself.
He was misfiring pretty bad. It was in front of my house.
So it's next year.
Alright. I'll probably see you.
Maybe we'll link up for dinner.
Dick, this is when I first started. I started watching that like before I met you. I remember seeing that truck, like a truck like that.
Damn, look at it. We're gonna talk about this real quick. This would be a horse-sized fucking duck.
Wow.
And you guys wanna fucking fight this thing?
Hell yeah.
No. 100 duck-sized horses.
What?
You know why you can fight 100 duck-sized horses?
You start kicking. This shit is gonna fuck you up.
Do I have any weapons?
No, you have your feet.
My feet.
Would you rather fight 100 duck-sized horses or one horse-sized duck?
You know they got corkscrew dicks, right? What fuck you up?
You guys kept asking for a fucking bowling video.
Hypothetical situation.
You guys are getting a mini golf video.
It was always like, oh,
Mini golf.
would you do this and that?
I don't care. You want bowls?
I
You want
sit down
balls
and watch
going
the
down?
tweet every fucking. I watch it to go to sleep, bro.
And you wanted a bowling
I
video.
wanted a bowling video.
That fucking sucks.
I've got the power of anime and God on my side.
Alright, we're playing couple versus couple. Jodel sucks. Jodel's gonna bring Jason down.
So, You
want to become master.
A lot of you don't know. I used to golf in my heyday.
You cannot.
In your heydays?
Yes. Can you please stop?
Yes, daddy.
You gotta say harder, daddy. Oh man. You already wrote everything down on paper.
Dude, let's go.
Harder, daddy. Is that these most parts?
If he gets a hole in one, I'm leaving. Go finish. Finish your strokes.
You gotta tell
Take your time.
Send it. That was good. Damn.
Wow.
Come on, you gotta show
I
her
never
off.
played.
Watch me be the fucking
I need you to get 4.
I need you to suck my
Stupid
ass.
fuck. You stupid fuck.
Yeah, in the yellow ball like it's your car. Fuck.
Why can't that hook nobody? Ass.
If you don't stop your socks and sandals ass.
You went down on it?
Oh,
Dude, go.
Oh, God, this nigga trash.
That shit is fucking trash, dog.
I'm gonna see him in his natural habitat.
Whoa!
You see Gabe fucking punt it just straight.
You know what?
Line drive.
Or and it turns into a star.
Oh, too far.
Only person who did calculations.
Sun is about to finesse.
Ooh.
Woo! Right in the hole, right in that
What was that
ass.
game?
What isn't fun?
Losing isn't fun.
Your car loses every day.
Oh my.
She said your car loses everything.
Oh, he's wearing another fuck the pigeon shirt today.
Yeah, it's
Damn.
only for adult entertainment.
Fuck the pigeons.
Yeah.
That's some weird cookie shit, bro.
If you guys don't know, yesterday we were shooting the Halcyon, and I really thought Adrian said he fucks pigeons. I really thought he said that. So now he's been wearing.
Gonna be in the comments.
FTP sweater, yo. FTP. Fuck the pigeons. My boy spins out here with the one hand.
Nah, you ever did the pool one? You ever went like that?
Never.
Never?
Are you gonna do that when it comes down to the wire?
Yeah.
Calculating geometry. Do it.
Didn't you fail geometry?
Damn.
You fucking missed, you piece of shit. You goddamn fucker. You
goddamn.
Oh no. Shit.
Oh, dude,
I
that
really
was
thought you had it.
so close.
Oh my A. Everyone silence, please. As Gabe.
As the wildebeest breathes his last breath.
Holy Jesus. Holy Jesus.
In the weeds.
Lined up, it just wasn't hit.
Gabe full power bar on that one.
A Genji.
A wild Genji. Doesn't play well with others.
Is they're better than everyone. And then blames others for their mistakes and their misfortunes.
Will Gabe fuck this one up again?
You're holding the golf club backwards.
Oh! You ain't me, bro. No holes in one.
It's hard, bro. It's not about acting. It's not about power. It's not about that hill.
My bad, I don't got skinny little fucking bitch arms.
Oh, you son of a gun.
Do it.
This is Joe Dell, and this is the Eyes Closed Hole-in One.
What the fuck you say to me? My son doesn't even get it in the hole.
Damn. What are you
Dude!
I would have done the same thing.
Alright, so that's 2.
Ah!
Da! Da!
The left.
Girl, it looks like your nipples.
Oh, that was so. I highly underestimated the size of this hill.
We have a natural born dinosaur out in its wild habitat. Oh, it looks like one's hatching right now.
Damn!
What is
What
it?
is that? The blue sexy beast. No, okay. That shit's slam. Look at that, Anton. That's all you. All you need.
We're looking at the majestic wildlife of the Jurassic Park. We found one right now. Don't scare it, don't scare it, don't scare it, don't scare it. Don't scare it. Don't scare it. So majestic. This is how they fish. Oh, I got pulled over.
Lucky I recorded this shit. Bro, I was so scared. I thought that lady was like, oh, I got you. I thought she fucking creeped up and back on you. I was like, yeah, I got it.
Bullshit.
That's what I was afraid of. $70. Just that?
How the fuck do you know it's $70? It's still bullshit. He's like, you trailer it down or drive it? I was like, I drove it. He's like, alright, well.
What did is he like a think about it?
No, but he could have wrote me more tickets, obviously, but no rear bumper. He's like, do you have any reason for it not being on? I was like, dude, no legitimate reason. I can't give you one.
Never parked next to me.
You're on the other side of the parking lot next to a sheriff.
Use it on mine, one outside out.
Oh, word?